Woodchuck sits by the fence so low, nibbling greens where the wild things grow. The crows are laughing sharp and high, black wings cut into a pale blue sky. Woodchuck munching, crows in flight, daytime feast till the edge of night. Feathered whispers, grass that sways, life just moves in its quiet ways. Sit and wonder how they agree, the sod assembly beneath the tree, sharing scraps with no debate. A silent treaty, nature's state. What do they know that I don't see? A pact unspoken, wild and free. Woodchuck grounded, crows above, a fleeting moment, a fleeting love. Woodchuck munching, crows in flight, daytime feast till the edge of night. Feathered